All right, Facebook, YouTube, what's going on, guys? It is Wednesday, November the 27th. Guys, we're out in Knoxville, Tennessee today. It is a chilly one. We're here at a client's house. This client reached out to us, I want to say probably about 2 months ago, with a home that they had just purchased, guys. And you can see immediately upon entry, lots of wear, man. These floors are in overall great condition as far as structural integrity. You know, the planks are really good, but you guys can just see, I mean, especially looking through here, look how dull, worn out, scratched, scuffed. There's a lot of areas that you can see through these high traffic areas that are just missing stain, very, dull and lackluster. We're not gonna be doing a full sand and refinish on these floors today, as our clients, just don't want to invest that much into it. I believe this is their first home, and they're just not looking to invest that much into the floors. So we're actually going to be doing our sand-free resurfacing of these hardwood floors, also known as a screen and recoat. And guys, I think it's going to come out really good. So take a real good look before. It's got a very worn out semi-gloss looking finish to it. Recommended to my clients that we go with a satin finish, drop that sheen down, and give these floors more of a natural look. I think it's gonna do really good for the aesthetic. And we're also gonna be doing here, guys, you can see there's just some areas with some gaps in the hardwood floor. We're gonna be taking care of some of these gaps for them as well. You can see some in here, so let's go ahead and jump into it. We've got the floor screened, vacuumed. We've got all of our areas filled. Now we've just got to clean and tack the floor, go ahead and do some color correction in these areas. As you can see, the floors, man, this is like so worn. But stay tuned, they are coming along and they're going to look incredible once we are finished. Can't wait for you guys to see the final. All right, guys, look how much better that room is compared to this room. So much better. All right, bedroom number 2 is done. Guys, look how incredible these are coming out. Again, for what we had to work with and not doing a full sand and refinish, I think these are gonna come out really, really good. Wow. All right, guys, and for the final step, we're gonna go ahead and put that polyurethane down. We did tint it, add some amber additive to give these a rich oiled look. And wow, what a difference putting a fresh coat of polyurethane on these floors made. They were so dry. We ended up putting 2 coats on to give that added extra protection. But guys, look at the difference it makes adding a coat of polyurethane on here. Incredible color difference, insane before and after. Wait till you see this next slide. All right, guys, we're actually putting the second coat on now. I forgot to get a quick video in here, but guys, you can see these floors came out, again, given what we had to work with, absolutely incredible. You guys, and I keep zooming in way too far. You guys remember how worn out and scuffed this finish was? Now it has a very nice, smooth, even, I keep zooming in too far, even sheen to it, guys. These floors just look incredible. Again, guys, compared to what we had to work with before. Look at that.